so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today we're gonna learn about some construction vehicles. They are so big and powerful. Can you guess which construction vehicle this is? Let's go find out. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at where I'm at. Yeah, today I'm in Tenino, Washington at a ranch. Yeah, check it out, all this beautiful grass. Wow! Hey, but today we're gonna explore a machine. Let me give you some hints on what machine this is. So, it's a machine that you can use in this big open field. Yeah, for crops. Yeah. It starts with the letter T. You can have a lot of attachments on it. Do you know what it is? Yeah, let's go. Whoa, check it out. This is a tractor. Whoa, tractors are so cool. Typically, you use them on farms and ranches. They get so much work done. Hey, check it out. Whoa, do you see this? This is a big bucket, and it can scoop a lot of dirt and gravel and things like that. Whoa! Wow, these are the bucket arms, which help lift the bucket. Whoa, right here, these are the hydraulic hoses, which help tilt and scoop things up and lift up the bucket. Oh, and you know what this is? Yeah, this is where you fill up the tractor with fuel. And this tractor doesn't take gas, it takes diesel. Yeah! Whoa, that right there is the cab. Here, go on to the other side. Let's go. Whoa! Hey, this tractor, yeah, has one big wheel and tire. Yeah. Whoa, look at this over here. Whew. Now this is a big wheel and tire. Hey, did you notice? It has one wheel and tire, two wheel and tires, and the other side have two more. So that means 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yeah, good job. Wow, check out the back of the tractor. Yeah, this is a mower attachment. Wow. On the back right here, there's some blades, and this attaches to the tractor. And this is what you use to go across grass like this, chop it down, and then you have a nice yard to play in. Woohoo! But hey, tractors have a lot of attachments they can have, like augers, or balers, or hay fluffers. Whoa, that is awesome. Hey, now I think we should head inside and drive the tractor. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, here we go. Whoa, check this out. Yeah, we're inside the cab of the tractor. Okay, first things first. Yeah, safety first. Yep, that means we have to wear our seatbelt. Perfect. All right, there we go. Now that we're all buckled up, we can take the key and put it in the ignition and start it up. But for now, let me show you all the things in here. Yeah, down here, these are the brakes of the tractor. Yeah, those are what you put your feet on, so then you stop the tractor in its tracks. Or tires. Yeah, and this right here, this is the steering wheel. This is how you operate and drive the tractor. Yeah! And this handle right here, you pull back to lift up the bucket, you push forward to put the bucket down, and left and right is to dump out the dirt. I think we should go get the dirt. All right, let's turn it on and test out the horn. All right, here we go. Woohoo! She's purring like a kitty. Meow. scoop up some dirt. Yeah, this tractor is so useful. Good job! Whoa! Isn't that a cool machine? Yeah, it was so fun operating and driving that tractor. Wow, what a useful machine that you can use on farms and ranches. Whoa, so cool. So many attachments and so many uses. Yeah, we learned about a tractor. Construction vehicles are awesome. Can you guess what this construction vehicle is? It has huge wheels. Let's go find out. Wow, check out this machine. Do you know what machine this is? Yeah, it looks kind of like a truck, but it has a giant bed or a box right here, which has a lot of material in the back, and it dumps it out. Wait a second. That must mean it's a dump truck. Yeah! Dump trucks are awesome. Whoa, look up here. So big. Wow, this is where the engine is. Wow, that's a big engine. You need a massive engine because you need a lot of power to lift up the box. Whoa, check these out. Yeah, you know what these are. Yeah, these are wheels and tires. Whoa, this vehicle is really cool because in back, there's a lot of them. I'll show you that now. But first, we need to check out the cab. Whoa, this is where the operator sits. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, there's a lot of things in there, just like a normal vehicle. A steering wheel, some lights. There's also a mirror. There's a key to start it, and a bunch of gauges and gadgets, so then you can operate it. Whoa! But this machine needs a lot of fuel to run. Yeah, I called it fuel because it's not gas, it's diesel. Woohoo! Whoa! Look! Yeah. Do you see how many wheels and tires this vehicle has? Look, there's 2 right here. Normally, they only have 1 in the front and 1 in the back. But this has 2 in the back. Yeah, and that is multiplied by 2 because it's on each side. So that means on one side, there is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and you can add 3 on this side to the other side. 3 plus 3, yeah, is 6. Woo! Whoa, these are called mud flaps. Woohoo! Because they flap like a dog's ear. Woohoo! Actually, what it's used for is so then mud doesn't fling out to the vehicles trailing it. Yeah, and look at this. This is the tailgate of the dump truck. When you lift up the load, then it dumps it all out. And I think that's what we should do now. Let's go. Now that was awesome. Yeah! See these two machines? Yeah, the excavator is loading up the dump truck. Wow, what great teamwork. Whoa, those are some big scoops that excavator is putting in that dump truck. Whoa, wow. It looks nice and full. I sure do love dump trucks. They're so tall, so powerful, and so useful on the job site. Woohoo! Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.